AUSTIN Gangai and my age is 14 and I am from Mumbai, Maharashtra. And you know, I started my cubing journey by seeing some YouTube videos, and I thought how it is like in my many years I'm not able to solve a cube like I bought that time. I'm not able to solve it. But after seeing some videos, I was able to understand what they use. They use CCOP method, but there's like much easier methods they use. LBL methods use and ZG methods. I use LBL method. This is the best method. Make a white cross, then start with the first layer, then second layer, then make a yellow cross, then align that colors, then do the arrange their corners, and then do the final solve. Then that's how I got to do it. And then I just like started this. Then what was the record actually? So like I saw the fastest cube ever you can do within 3.47 seconds. But when I saw an international book record, it's like 44.62. So I planned I should break it because I have the capabilities for that. So at that moment when I broke it, I was like shouting that time and very eagerly I said I did it. So that was the moment when I was very happy. So that's the day I finally thought myself I can do anything. Thank you.
Start mixing, Joji.